Yes, children, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, let me admit students. You can switch off your cameras. It's only when your turn comes, then you can switch it on. It's absolutely okay. Let me tell you, Shimail, abhi band kar do beta, no issues. When you have your turn, that time you can switch it on. There are 10 marks for internals in class 11th and 12th, 5 marks. And Saturday you have your PTM. So 5 marks means I'll just ask you 5 questions. That's it. 5 questions and 5 marks as it is for your attendance. And today you got your ASL also. I hope the message has reached students who are absent. We'll start in a sequence. Aryan Raj, are you there? Aryan Raj Saxena.
Yes, ma'am.
You're there? Okay. Yes, beta. Which
Ma'am, can I give tomorrow?
that not possible, but why do you want so?
Ma'am, I haven't prepared.
Why do you? You were there in the class on Saturday or not?
No, ma'am.
That is the reason why you people don't come to the class. You don't even know. If you knew about it on Saturday, you should have prepared it. I'll see if I am able to finish. You have another period. That time, if you're ready, you can join me. Okay? Leave the class, prepare yourself. Go. Akash Yadav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was also absent on Saturday.
So, beta, that is actually not my problem. Today it's your Viva. Maximum what I can do is you can leave the class, 40 minutes this and 20
Actually,
minutes break.
ma'am, it was raining, so my mobile was not charged.
Go and prepare. Ananya Singh, are you there?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya. Okay, beta. Ready you are? Tell me which chapter.
I'm biodiversity and conservation.
You want me to ask all the questions from the same chapter? Because I said
Yes.
I'll give you a choice. I've given choice to everybody. So I'll ask her only. Tell me, beta. What do you mean by biodiversity gradient?
Ma'am, it means that as we move from temperate regions, tropical regions to polar regions, the biodiversity decreases.
Okay. What are hotspots?
Ma'am, hotspots are those sites where those species are conserved who are endangered.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Define speciation.
It means that ma'am, in tropical regions, there is more species richness than as compared to polar regions, because ma'am, polar regions have been subject to glaciation in the past.
What is red data book?
Ma'am, it contains the data of endangered species or the species that are going to be extinct.
Differentiate between in situ and ex situ conservation.
Ma'am, ex situ conservation is a conservation in which the species are conserved within their natural habitat, and in situ conservation is the conservation in which species are shifted to a site like zoological parks where they are given special care.
Okay. Name 3 divisions of diversity. Last question for you. Like you have genetic diversity.
Ma'am, genetic diversity, ecological diversity, and species diversity.
Okay, fine. Fine, Ananya, you can go and prepare yourself for other subjects. Viva, you can leave the meeting. Okay,
Thank you,
prepare.
ma'am.
God bless. You can prepare for other subjects. Anshika Singh, are you there? Anshika, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which chapter have you prepared?
Chapter 16, ma'am, environmental issues.
Okay, you prepared environmental issues? So let's start. I'll be asking
Yes,
you
ma'am.
5. That's it, okay? Just 5 questions. In case you don't answer one correct, then only I'll tell you. Why has the ozone hole been formed over Antarctica?
Please repeat, ma'am.
Why is ozone hole formed over Antarctica?
Ma'am, ozone hole is formed over Antarctica because of ozone depletion due to global warming and ozone
But
depletion.
without in Antarctica, there is no pollution. Then what? Why will we have global warming there?
Uh, Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
No mind. It's okay. Tell me the next one. How can you control solid waste soil pollutants? Any one method you tell me of controlling solid waste soil pollutants.
Ma'am, we can solid waste soil. Ma'am, we can control them by open burning or by natural breakdown and some rag pickers also. There are various methods to dispose the solid waste, and one method is incineration, in which hospitalized or hospital waste is disposed,
Third
and
question. Okay,
we can do recycling.
one method, just one method. Third one. How does algal bloom destroy the quality of water? How does algal
Ma'am,
bloom?
algal bloom.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, algal bloom is the when free floating algae, that is phytoplanktons, are in excessive growth in a water body, then algal bloom occurs, and this causes unpleasant foul smell, and changes the color of the water body, and due to which the fishes fishes are dead, and organisms.
You're just telling me that the water gets a bad smell or it's polluted, but I'm asking why. How does this happen that an algal bloom destroys the quality? Of course, you're telling me
Ma'am,
the quality is destroyed. How?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because it is the result of eutrophication, in which, ma'am, the water body gets covered with the algae, and no sunlight passes, and all the dead remains settle at the bottom of the water body.
What is greenhouse flux?
Greenhouse flux.
Yes.
Greenhouse flux. No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, the last question. How do CFCs cause ozone hole? How do CFCs? I hope
Ma'am,
you know
CFCs are. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. CFCs are released from refrigerators, and they uh, are released into the atmosphere, and they go upwards and react, and chlorine is released, and uh, uh, chlorine is responsible for ozone depletion, and it further deplete the ozone layer.
Okay. Okay. A single chlorine atom converts how many molecules of ozone into oxygen? You just talked about chlorine, so this is your last question. Single chlorine atom converts how many molecules of ozone into oxygen?
Ozone into oxygen. 2 molecules.
No, beta. It is one chlorine, 1 lakh molecules of ozone into oxygen. Anyway, Anshita, you can leave, beta. Well done. Go and prepare yourself for the other vivas. Anshul Verma, are you there, beta?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I give it in the next class?
Yes, beta. Then you should have left the meeting by the time. Those who are not prepared, please leave the meeting immediately. Join me after the break. Aradhe? Aradhe? Not there. Ariba? Yes, Ariba, which
Yes,
chapter?
ma'am.
Which chapter?
Ma'am, organism and population.
You want to give some organisms and population? I hope you are prepared. You don't want to
Yes,
say that,
ma'am.
ma'am, I also need time. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me which is the, what are euryhaline organisms?
Animals who can tolerate a wide range of salinity.
What is diapause?
It is a special kind of estivation in which animals suspend their morphological body functions.
What is carrying capacity?
What, ma'am?
Carrying capacity.
This one I don't know.
Okay, never mind. What is amensalism?
Amensalism is a kind of interspecific relation in which one is inhibitor and another one gets benefit from relation.
What is brood parasitism?
This one I don't know.
Okay. Tell me something about logistic growth model.
Logistic growth model or sigmoid curve has 5 phases. It is observed in yeast cells. It shows 5 phases: lag phase, positive acceleration phase, and then negative acceleration phase, and then finally it shows stationary. It gets stationary after some time.
Last question for you. Name the organisms that form lichens.
Lichens is symbiotic association between algae and fungi.
Good. Algae part is called what?
Algae is called phycobiont, and fungal part is called mycobiont.
Correct. Okay. Very good, Ariba. You can also leave. Plan for your next vivas.
Excuse
You
me,
can
ma'am.
join.
Thank
Yes,
you.
dear.
Ma'am, Sony is in the waiting room. Please allow her.
Okay. After Ariba, we have Ayush Gupta. Ayush Gupta, are you there, beta? One Ayush Patel is there. Okay, fine. Ayush Patel, can we start? Or you also want me to join in the next period?
No,
Ayush is
ma'am.
there.
In this period only.
It's Ayush Patel. Good morning. Tell me which chapter, beta. Which chapter should I ask? Tell me quickly which chapter you're ready with. I'll ask
Chapter
from that only. Chapter 13. Ayush, some problem in your network? Which chapter? Chali, we'll go back to him again. Ayush will come back to you later.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush, now it's okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Which chapter?
13.
13. Otherwise, I would have made a video for
organism and population.
Okay, what is regulation? What is regulation?
What?
What is regulation?
Ma'am. Ma'am, regulation नहीं पता ma'am.
Second question, what is estivation?
Ma'am, estivation is a process in which the animal slow down their metabolic activities.
When? Which season?
Ma'am, summer sleep.
Summers or winters?
Summer.
Summers. What is homeostasis?
Summer. Ma'am,
Summer.
homeostasis. Ma'am, Ma'am, in this, the organism achieves the constituency by
By I could not get this answer, so I'm not marking you for this. What are stenohaline organisms?
Can tolerate narrow range of.
I think I'll have to make a video call to you after the class. Your audio is not clear. What is resource partitioning, Ayush?
We are organisms. Hello.
I'll make a personal call to you. I cannot even hear you properly. I don't know what you're saying. Resource partitioning, what did you say? What is brood parasitism, Ayush? Brood parasitism.
मैम क्लास के बाद ले लीजिएगा मैम, आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
तो बेटा 5th पीरियड में आइए, ठीक है? चलिए।
ओके मैम।
Let's move further, beta. Drishti Solanki, are you there? Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Drishti, which chapter?
Ma'am, ecological issues.
Ecological issues.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, what is the most confident topic that you are in this chapter? Which you are the most confident? You mean environmental
Ma'am,
issues,
you
no?
can ask any topic. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. I asked the same question. Let me ask you, why do we have an ozone hole over Antarctica?
Ma'am, because during the winter months, it does not receive sunlight, due to which ice clouds are formed. And when chlorine reacts with it, it degrades it.
Okay, give me one consequence of deforestation.
Consequence. Ma'am, when more trees are cut down, it leads to sand pollution, soil pollution.
Soil pollution. Why is CNG better than diesel or petrol?
CNG is better because it does not cause the amount of pollution. It does not cause the same pollution as caused by diesel and petrol.
That is what I'm asking you. Why it does not cause? That is my question, beta. Of course, it's better for this reason, but why? Why it does not cause that much pollution?
Ma'am, because on burning, it does not release harmful gases.
Next one. Which act was passed by the government of India to protect the quality of our environment, and which year was it passed? Name the act.
Environment Protection Act in 1980.
1980?
The Environment Protection Act in 1986.
What is the unit used to measure noise pollution?
Noise pollution. Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes, beta. Which unit is used to measure noise pollution?
That I don't know.
Okay, last question for
Ma'am,
you.
decibel. No.
Yes, decibel. Correct. Name 3 greenhouse gases.
Chlorofluorocarbon, carbon dioxide, and methane.
Good. Fine. Drishti, you can also leave. Go and prepare yourself for other subjects, beta. Harshita Singh, are you there? Yes. Yes, Shita Pita. Good morning, Bache. Which chapter you have prepared?
Ma'am, biodiversity.
Biodiversity. Define biodiversity.
Ma'am, the sum total of different individuals of different species of flora and fauna in a particular region is biodiversity.
Okay. Give me one threat to biodiversity. Any one threat?
Ma'am, anthropological threat, like man-made threats.
Man-made threats. Okay. Like?
Ma'am, for example, we are degrading our different species and for our own good, and population increase.
Okay. Name any two exotic plant species of India. Two exotic plant species of India.
Ma'am, Rauwolfia vomitoria. It produces reserpine. And that's it.
What is cryopreservation?
Ma'am, preservation of gametes or seeds in liquid nitrogen at 196 degrees Celsius.
Last question for you. Give two examples of Indian endangered species.
Ma'am, tiger.
Okay. Since two questions you've just answered half, I'll give you another chance to get 1 mark. What are polymorphs?
Sorry, ma'am.
What are polymorphs? Polymorphs.
Sorry, I don't know.
It's okay, beta. You can leave the meeting. It's absolutely okay. Kamran is there? Kamran? No. Mahi? Mahi is there. Yes, Mahi. Good morning. Beta, which chapter?
Good morning, ma'am. Biodiversity and conservation.
Biodiversity and conservation. Same chapter. Okay, fine. Answer my questions then. Be ready, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
A biosphere reserve is divided into 3 zones. Name the zones. Biosphere reserve is divided into 3 zones. Name the zones.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You never mind. We'll go further. It is okay if you don't know. The next question. We are okay with it. Children, don't get nervous. What do you mean by species diversity?
Species diversity is the diversity at species level. For example, in Western Ghats, we have more species diversity as compared to Eastern Ghats.
Name 3 components of biodiversity. Three components of biodiversity.
Ma'am, equal.
What are hotspots? Hotspots. Yes, Mahi? Some problem in your network?
Yes, ma'am. There were some issues. Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
I'll ask you, what are sanctuaries? What is a sanctuary?
Ma'am, I couldn't hear.
What is a sanctuary, wildlife sanctuary? What is it? Last question for you, Mahi. Name 3 categories of threatened species. Name 3 categories of threatened species. Fine, beta. It's okay. Let's move further, children. Mansi is there? Mansi? Yes, she's there. Mansi, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Beta, Mansi. Which chapter? Which chapter, beta?
An ecosystem.
You want to do with ecosystem? Shall define
Yes,
ecosystem?
ma'am.
Define ecosystem.
Ecosystem refers to the interrelationship between the biotic and abiotic components.
What do you mean by biotic and abiotic components? Can you give me 3 examples?
When biotic are those which are living and abiotic are non-living. Biotic means that animals, humans, and abiotic are air, water.
What is secondary productivity?
When the biomass produced by the consumers after consuming the primary productivity.
What is GPP?
Gross primary productivity.
Define GPP.
This is the rate of production of organic matter or biomass by plants during photosynthesis.
Okay. And how is it different from primary productivity?
Then it includes the respiratory losses also.
What is stratification?
Process of it refers to the vertical distribution of all the species, vertical distribution of species among different traffic levels.
What is standing crop?
From this side only.
What is standing crop, beta?
None don't know.
Yes, I'll give you another minute to think what is standing crop. You've done well, so I'm giving you another minute if you know the answer.
One standing crop is the total biomass of the organisms. Then somewhat is
Beta, you can leave the meeting and go and prepare yourself for other subjects, okay?
Thank you.
Yes, Manya? Is she there?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, let me check. She's not there. Fine. Mohammed Shazir? Mohammed Shazir is also not there. Mohammed Saif? Mohammed Saif is also not there. Pragya? Pragya Singh, are you there? No. Raghav?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So Raghav is there. So let's start from Raghav only. Let me write. Raghav, which chapter have you prepared?
16th chapter, environmental issues.
Environmental issues?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me one issue, environmental issue, which is of great concern these days. Which you feel is
deforestation, pollution, noise pollution, deforestation, and there are many. air pollution.
Okay. Tell me the same question which I had asked. Why is CNG a better fuel?
CNG is, ma'am, cheaper than petrol and diesel. It burns completely, and it cannot be theft by thieves and adulterate also.
Name 2 protozoan diseases caused by water pollution. 2 protozoan diseases which are caused by water pollution.
Ma'am, typhoid and cholera. No, not. Typhoid and cholera.
Sure. Typhoid is bacteria. Cholera is also a bacterial disease. I'm asking protozoan diseases. Both of them are bacterial. The ones you told were bacterial, beta. No idea. What do you mean by senescence of a water body?
What?
Senescence. What do you mean by senescence of a water body?
Senescence. It's like clearing the water bodies by physical methods, like sedimentation.
Okay. What is called as the Terror of Bengal and why is it called so?
Water Hanset is called as Terror of Bengal because when it brought to India.
Can I have the scientific name? Water hyacinth?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Eichhornia cariopsis, I guess.
Okay. Why is it called so?
Ma'am, because it is very toxic to the plants and animals, and when it brought to India, it's just because of its flowers. But when it comes to India, it grows like we can't control it. Like,
okay. Since you got wrong, you got one question wrong. I'll give you another chance for this. If you can answer this. National Forest Policy. When was it made?
Yeah.
Which year?
National Forest Policy. Policy. When, ma'am, 1980.
1980?
Policy.
It's okay. It's okay. It was 1988, beta. Fine.
88, yes.
Never mind. It's okay, beta. Fine. Raghav, you can also leave. Go and plan yourself for other subjects. Ritul is there? Yes, Ritul is there. Okay, beta. Bye.
Yes,
Ritul, which chapter?
Ma'am, biodiversity and its conservation.
Okay. What is a biosphere reserve?
Ma'am, a biosphere reserve is a reserve which is a place where a place which is found out by the conservatives for the protection of the places, for the protection of the animals.
Okay. Next question for you. Tell me what is IUCN?
IUCN, International Conservation for.
Ritu, you are not on camera.
Ma'am, I'm there.
This won't be valid. Yes, now you are there. Otherwise, the questions, if you don't speak out on camera, they are not valid. Yes, tell me the full form of IUCN.
International Conservation for IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources.
What are the 3 zones of a biosphere reserve? 3 zones of biosphere.
Buffer zone, transition zone, and core zone.
What are critical habitats? What are critical habitats?
Critical habitats. Ma'am, that I don't know.
Who developed the hotspot concept? Okay, I'll give you another chance, though 5 questions are done. But since you've got 2 of them wrong, I'll give you another chance. How much area is covered by forest in India?
Forest
How much area?
More than 20%.
Okay. It's tentative, it's actually 23%. Last one, name 2 most biodiversity rich zones of India. Two most rich biodiversity zones of India.
Yeah. Ma'am, that I don't know.
So can you mind, Ritul, you can leave. Those who given need not join in the next period, beta. You can plan yourself for the next subjects. Sanvi?
Ma'am, you not take ASL in the next class?
Beta, first I'll finish my biology. English period, I'll take English. I have an English period also. I'll take ASL in the English class. Not in the bio period that we have after this. Okay, Sanvi, which chapter?
Organisms and population.
Organisms and population. Okay. Everybody has prepared different chapters. Which one, should I ask you anything, or you're more confident about any particular chapter?
You can ask.
Okay, what is commensalism?
Ma'am, when two species are in their relationship, one is neither benefited nor there is any loss, but the other one has a negative impact. It is not getting benefited. It is, I'm not getting the word.
Okay, lag phase. You must have heard this word, lag phase. In which shaped pattern of population growth will you find this? Which shape pattern? Lag phase. With a shape, I'm asking which shape pattern will you find the word lag phase?
Sigmoid.
I'm asking about the shape, English letter shape. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Those shapes.
S.
S shape, you will have the lag phase?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What is mycorrhiza?
Mycorrhiza is a close association between fungi and the roots of higher plants.
Name the interaction between cuckoo and a crow's nest.
Brood parasitism.
Name the interaction when ticks live on the skin of dogs.
Parasitism.
What is natality?
Number of birds.
Pardon, I could not hear you.
Number of birds. Number of organisms born.
Give me one difference between an S shape and a J shape curve growth. One difference, S and J. No? You don't know this? So I'll ask you one more in place of this, if you can answer. Name the interaction between a sucker fish and a shark.
I don't know.
Okay, beta. You can leave. That's absolutely okay. You can join for yes, ASL, English class, you can join later. Okay, beta. Chalo, you can leave. Fine. Yes, children, will continue in the next period now. Okay, after break. Let's meet after break. Those who have finished need not join.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, beta. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless. God bless. Prepare for other subjects.